Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you fix iPhone screen dims while playing PUBG Mobile. So guys, to fix this problem, at first let's just click on this bottom right side arrow icon, and after clicking it, click on settings. Now from settings, click on graphics and audio, this option. Now scroll, and after scrolling here you can see brightness. Just make sure that you have turned it to max brightness from here, and the last option here you can see auto adjust graphics. Make sure that you have disabled it and click on apply, this yellow apply. Now after that go back. Now after that just go to your settings. Now from your settings just go to display and brightness, this option. Now from here, as you can see, true tone, you need to make sure that your true tone is turned off like this, and after that go back again. Now go to accessibility. Now click on display and text size. Now from here scroll down. Now make sure that you have turned off auto brightness mode, and after that your problem will be solved. So guys, that's how you can fix the problem. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tactim channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.